Hello guys, starting today I'm recording some sets versus Colossus and to announce in this video already the sets that last up. That 2 minutes of the fight will be edited as shorts form and the sets that last more than 2 minutes of the fight will be published as this video.
Enjoy. I have a bit of skill with this set, so I know to dodge sometimes Colossus shadow moves.
This is what happens when you make a mistake. Now it's time to beat him. Should I record individual sets or a group of sets in one video? Tell me in comment. Easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get over 350 subs and keep going.